Hey guys, this is a bowl of Kernza, honey toasted Kernza cereal. Got it with some service berries that I foraged and a little bit of oat milk. It's really delicious. The cool thing about Kernza is it's a perennial grain, one of the very first. It's a intermediate wheatgrass, so it's related to wheat, but it's not exactly the same species. Have a bite here. Very good. This is the box here. Honey toasted Kernza cereal. Put out by Cascadian Farm. Although it's the Land Institute that developed the grain Kernza. So it's kind of a joint venture. First ingredient is organic whole wheat. Second ingredient is the Kernza. So we know it's it's probably like half and half whole wheat and grain, which is fine. They probably haven't worked out how to totally process it to make it as usable as regular wheat. It's got honey, oats, mostly organic ingredients. Pretty awesome. First of its kind. And because it's perennial, you know, those grains, the roots of the grain plants are going to come back year after year. They're going to go very deep in the soil, sequester carbon, and be a solution to climate change. Kernza can protect water quality. It's a trademark for the time being. But yeah, very, very cool. I'm not sure if they're going to start selling Kernza cereal, but I think this was a one-of-a-kind release, promotional, informational box for people to try and get acquainted with Kernza. But it's great. If you ever get a chance to try Kernza, I would recommend it.